Hey there. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of electrical transformers. If you're an engineer or just curious about how power gets from point A to point B efficiently, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is an electrical transformer? At its core, a transformer is a device that transfers electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. Sounds complex, but it's really all about changing voltage levels to make power transmission more efficient. There are three primary types of transformers you need to know about: step-up, step-down, and isolation transformers. First up, the step-up transformer. This device increases the voltage from the primary coil to the secondary coil. It's commonly used in power plants to transmit electricity over long distances. By stepping up the voltage, it reduces the current and minimizes energy loss. Next, we have the step-down transformer. As the name suggests, it does the opposite. It decreases the voltage from the primary coil to the secondary coil. You'll find these in everyday devices like phone chargers and power adapters. They make high voltage power safe for home and office use. Lastly, let's talk about isolation transformers. These are used to isolate two circuits from each other. They don't change the voltage, but instead provide safety by preventing direct electrical connection between the power source and the device. They're crucial in sensitive equipment and medical devices. But why are transformers so critical? Imagine trying to send power from a power plant to your home without them. You'd lose a lot of energy due to resistance in the wires. Transformers make this process efficient by adjusting voltage levels, ensuring that we get reliable power with minimal loss. In summary, electrical transformers are indispensable in our daily lives. They come in various types, each serving a unique purpose, from boosting voltage for long-distance transmission to making power safe for our gadgets. Understanding these basics can help you in designing more efficient systems and troubleshooting issues effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.